Welcome back. In this session, we are going to learn about layer mask. The word mask generally mean hiding something. Either you are hiding it completely or you are hiding it partly. That's why most people wear face mask. Face mask is that like you are hiding some part of your face or you are hiding your face completely. Like your nose mask, so you are hiding your nose. Now that same principle applies to layer mask. When you are hiding the layers, either partly or completely. The layer mask feature is here at the bottom. This it. You can find it here at the bottom of the layer panel, or you go to the layer menu and see you can still locate it here in the layer menu, layer mask. Yeah. So either you use your layer mask to either reveal or to hide an item on the mask. And as well, the layer mask works with this foreground and background color. The foreground color is usually used to hide. That is black. Black here means to hide. Then white here means to reveal. For example, I have image. I have this image here. Okay. I have this image here. I can decide to hide some parts of this image. How can you create a mask? You come to the bottom here, add layer mask. Remember, this is layer mask. This is the main layer. This is the main layer, and this is the layer mask of this particular camera. This is the mask, and this is the main layer. Remember, white color means to show something. Then black means to what? Hide it. If I want to hide some parts of this layer now, I need to color it with what? Black. So I have to activate the brush tool. With my brush tool, I need the size to be bigger. It's always okay. Make the size. So as I click on it, I'm hiding some part of this layer, and it's coloring black here in the mask. Hiding some part of this layer. Okay, if I increase the hardness, the more I click on it, the more I hide some part of it. And if you go to the mask, it's colored black. For you to review how the mask looks like, hold your alternate key on the keyboard, then you click on it. This is it. These are the black. All these are the blacks and the images which I used to hide it. To go back, look all your alt key and click on it back. So here we have it. So it's used to hide or show some part of the image or to hide it completely. Also, if you no longer want the mask, you right click on the mask and say disable mask. So you no longer need the mask, and you can also delete the mask. So drag it to the delete button. That's where you do the mask. So if you want to apply the black mask, don't want the white one. The black mask will hide. You want to apply the black mask immediately, you hold your alt key and click on create mask. To hide everything. Everything here is what is hidden. Then for you to be able to show some of them, how can you show them? is to add white color to the black mask, because white will show while black but hides. So for me to do that, I have to interchange my foreground and background color. I need the white, so convert it from here, then go to your brush stroke. But so I'm going to show some part, not all the part, some parts of it. I'm going to do like this. So white is used to show. If I move to my layer mask, hold the alternate key and click on it, this is it. All these places coloring black are those places that hides, while the white one show. So these are the basic principle of layer mask. It's majorly used for hiding things. The white is to show, while the black is to hide. So let's use it for an example. Another example, you say I have this image here. Now I want to place a write-up at the back of this image. This is an image, this is a working man. I want to place a write-up at the back of it. Let me type the write-up first. Working. Then use white color. Then move it to the top. Start in white color. Move to the top. Not working. Let me delete this one. Okay. Now hold your alternate key to have the two out to duplicate it. Let me say working man. Okay. Then always place it like double clicking this good. More. Place more. Place more. Let's see. I have something. So I want to place this text at the back of this. But how can I do that? First of all, we have to rasterize, convert the smart object layer to a raster layer by right clicking, then rasterize the layer, then have to select it. Before selecting, you duplicate it. Before selecting, you have to duplicate it. This is Ctrl J. This Ctrl J. Use Ctrl J to duplicate it, then you select it. This is your new duplicated copy, you select it. Okay, use it. Then you mask it. Let me remove the original one. With the mask, you can see that the place that is showing white, is the one that is showing the part of the picture that is showing. Then the background that is showing black is part of the picture that is what hiding. So I only need the picture that is showing. I only need the man. That's why I selected the man. That's why you can only see the man here. Then if I place back this background picture, the original one, here is it. Then I can then push it to the middle of it. Push the work into the middle of it. Now this now we have this text behind this image. Want to play the other one behind, just left click on the layer of the text, then drag to the middle of it. Drag to the middle of it. Like so. Okay, yeah. Now I can play this text at the bottom of it. So that's all about the layer mask. So the main idea about masking the layer is about hiding the layer partly or to hide it completely. And white is to show the area you want, while black is to hide the part of the layer you want.